Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to show you how to make kuli kuli. This snack is actually one of my favorite snack while growing up, and I could eat it about up to 4 to 5 times a week with soured gari actually. So if you know, you know. So right now I'm craving for it also, and I decided to get some granite and make some for myself. Here I have a rubber of raw granite, which is about 7 cups of granite actually. So this is me spreading it on this flat surface to take out the bad ones from it. Actually, I've done this already. This is me just showing you how you can do yours. And when that is ready, I'm going to transfer that into my pot. Like you place your pot on a low heat actually and allow it to toast. You stir it at interval anyway. So and the toasting time took me about an hour 20 minutes before everything gets got ready. Okay. So guys, this is me checking to see if the granite is nicely toasted. So when I'm going to also scoop some out, to check as well. So when you peel the granite and the skin comes off very easily, then it shows that your granite is nicely roasted. Okay. So now I'll go ahead to spread it on a flat surface and allow it to cool down completely before I start peeling the skin. Okay. And when it cools down, this is me peeling the skin already. I want to blow out the shaft as well, that's the skin of the granite. So that is basically it, guys. But don't be tempted to finish the granite anyway, because really, as I'm doing all of this, I was as well eating from it. So when it comes out clean like this, you want to go ahead to blend it. You can use your blender or you take it to a commercial blender to do that for you. And now I'm going to add warm water to this because it's already cold, like it's no longer hot or warm. So I'm going to add warm water to this and mix it very well. Just watch me as I'm doing it. And guys, if you watch to this point and you're yet to like this video, please give this a like, okay? It shows that you're enjoying the video, right? So now the first batch of water is dried up and I'm going to add more. And don't I also advise that you don't add too much water to this so that you don't end up with having something else, okay? Unless you are making something larger, like more quantity than what I'm making right now, you can add more water. But at least a cup and few drops should be enough for this. And you just have to mix till the oil start coming out like this, and that shows that your batter is ready. I also switched to my hand at some point because the spatula was not really giving me what I want anymore. And guys, I was shocked at the quantity of oil that I got. I was thinking I will have about 2 cups of oil out of this anyway. But yeah, this is what I got. So then you want to mold into your desired shape. And at this point, I realized I've not added seasoning and some other things I need to add. And yeah, this is me adding salt, seasoning, and dry pepper. The pepper is actually pepper anyway, so don't think it's very small. It's actually pepper. So you can add any the way you want it anyway. Some people still add onion, but yeah, I don't need all those anyway. So this is just what I want. And guys, you just mold into your desired shape. You can mold it into a flat shape like what I'm doing, or into a long shape, or just any shape of your choice. But this is the most common one anyway. And this is it anyway. And if you are following me, you know that when I want to fry something that tend to soak oil, I like to drop a piece first and fry, and that's just what you saw me doing. And yeah, after frying this for about 2 minutes or so, you just want to flip to the other side and allow that to fry. And when it's ready, I'm just going to take that out. And yeah, our kuli kuli is ready, guys. So this process is actually long. If you really think you don't have the time for this process, you can as well buy. But I really enjoyed this, and actually this is my first time of making kuli kuli myself. I usually buy, but the last one I got was not really giving, so I decided to make it myself. And really, I'm so proud of what I just did. And it came out so nice. I really enjoyed it. And yeah, it's actually worth trying, and I hope you also try this out for yourself. And it's so so good, so so crunchy and delicious. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.